Introducing VADO's new Universal Basin Waste. Our new basin waste is easy to install and designed to fit all basins. In the box you'll find the basin waste itself, clic-clac and free flow mechanisms, a hex key and installation instructions. The polymer soft press clic-clac mechanism is limescale resistant and is especially durable, having been manufactured to last for over 30 years. Installation is simple. Place the top part of the waste in the basin's waste hole. Insert the central screw and then screw on the bottom part of the waste. Tighten to fit using the hex key supplied. Complete the installation by screwing on the clic-clac mechanism and round chrome top. The free flow mechanism supplied is perfect for those locations where you don't want to fill the basin, cloakrooms for example, or for basins without an overflow. To fit, just unscrew the clic-clac mechanism from the plug top and screw on the free flow mechanism. The universal waste is designed to work with slotted basins that have an overflow, and on slotted basins that don't. To ensure the perfect finishing touch for your bathroom, 2 optional tops are available, a round white ceramic top and a square chrome top. The universal waste and optional tops are so versatile they replace 9 types of basin waste and eliminate the chance of buying a waste that won't fit your basin. Manufactured to our usual high standards and backed by our 12-year guarantee, it's the perfect one-size-fits-all basin waste.